Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best cabinet locks and straps that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Cabinet Locks and Straps. Once your baby is on the move, there's no stopping their curiosity. To keep your little one out of trouble, you'll need to baba-proof your home. You might have already added cushioning to sharp objects, but proper baby-proofing goes far beyond that. Cabinet window door and toilet locks are also essential to keep your baby from getting hurt. Keep your baby safe. Number 10. Cabinet Locks Child Safety Latches Maisie 12-Pack Baby Proofing Cabinets Drawer. Child Safety Cabinet Lock is the patent-pending cabinet lock from Maisie Safety that is simple, stylish, and most of all secure. Main features: easy installation. Keep your baby safe. Works for all cabinets. Number 9. Skyla Homes Cabinet Locks Child Safety 12-Pack. Join millions of parents and trust Skyla, helping create the safe, fun and warm home that you and your family deserve. We take a safe and happy home seriously. Main features: why parents trust us. Adult-friendly tech. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Number 8. Sliding door lock for child safety baby-proof doors and closets. The keyless design means you simply have to flip to unlock and press down to relock. The tape used to attach the device is designed to be compatible. Main features: durable and convenient. Versatile design. Hassle-free installation. Number 7. Child Safety Cabinet Locks Latches 12-Pack Kids Baby Proofing Lock Child-Proof Drawer. The Child Safety Cabinet Locks latches adopt invisible design, which is installed inside the cabinets. It will not get your curious baby's attention. Main features: sturdy and durable. Easy to install. Invisible design. Number 6. Child Safety Locks 8-Pack for Cabinet Baby Proofing. No tool or drilling needed with super strong 3M adhesive. Join millions of parents and trust Skyla, helping create the safe, fun and warm home that your family deserve. Main features: why parents trust us. Adult-friendly tech. Satisfaction guarantee. Number 5. Furniture Straps 10-Pack Baby Proofing Anti-Tip Furniture Anchors Kit. We all have furniture around the house that can pose falling hazards for our children. All standalone ranges should also be secured with an anti-tip device. Main features: heavy-duty, high-quality, anti-tip furniture straps. Number 4. Improved Child-Proof Door Lever Lock 3-Pack prevents toddlers from opening doors. Simply stick to your door with the included 3M adhesive backing. Then let's go when you are ready to remove the lock. Main features: super easy to install. Easy one-hand operation. 100% money-back guarantee. Number 3. Eco Baby Magnetic Cabinet Locks 20 locks and 3 keys. Child safety for drawers. Aesthetic and easy installation. Adhesive magnetic cabinet locks install inside cabinets. Make it yours now and secure every cupboard, exposed and easily accessible. Main features: save yourself time. Extra strong. Durable. Number 2. Baby Proofing Magnetic Cabinet Locks Child Safety Maisie 12. The magnetic baby safety lock is to keep your curious little kids away from drawers and cupboards filled with dangerous tools or chemicals with simple. Main features: keep your baby safe. Magnetic locking system. Invisible from outside. Number 1. Eco Baby Child Safety Magnetic Cabinet and Drawer. This must-have set includes 12 baby-proofing locks, which provide you with countless options. Make it yours now and secure every cupboard and drawer that is exposed and easily accessible. Main features: save yourself time. Durable. Extra strong. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.